have yet to earn my first $100 online. That's the response I got as a reply to one of my posts in Learn Digital with Rahul Facebook group. So in this video, I want to teach you how to make your first $100 online. Yes, you heard that right. Not your first dollar online. Instead, your first $100 online. Hey digital learners, Rahul here from LearnDigitalWithRahul.com and welcome back to another episode. In this video, you will learn how to earn your first $100 online. And if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to Learn Digital with Rahul channel on YouTube and tap on the bell icon. That way you won't miss any future updates. Alright, now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Making money online is tough. In order to make your first dollar online, either you need to sell a product or sell a service. However, the only way other than selling products or services is by sharing your knowledge and expertise. There are many ways to make money online. Sometimes you feel you need to make money blogging. Other times you think you need to start a YouTube channel and make money from YouTube. And later, you feel there is a need to start a podcast and make money from your podcast show. But due to the availability of many possibilities to make money online, you feel lost and you end up doing nothing at all. I made my first dollar from blogging and it took me 89 days to make my first dollar from blogging. But if I had to start again, I would choose the same method that I'm going to show you in this video. The reason why this method works best is you need a blog with lots of traffic to make money blogging, a YouTube channel with lots of views and subscribers to see any earning from YouTube. And if you want to make money from your podcast show, first you need to create a popular podcast show. So all these three methods are not the best ways if you want to make quick bucks online. And only another option you are left with is make money selling your services online. But the problem with that is it's pretty tough to get your first client if you don't have a portfolio or personal brand. Therefore, what you need to do instead is start promoting highly profitable affiliate products to make your first dollar online. You might have already heard about affiliate marketing. If not, let me tell you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting others' products to earn a commission. You sign up for any affiliate program, get an affiliate tracking link, and promote that product online to earn a few percentages as affiliate commission. But most people do it the wrong way. Either they choose wrong products with very low commission or they promote it the wrong way. I have already discussed this in my free ebook about affiliate marketing. In case you haven't read it yet, visit affiliatesalesmastery.com to download the free ebook. But don't just download it, read also, because this can change your life. Alright, before I show you how to use affiliate marketing to make your first dollar online, let me tell you why this is the best option for you if you have yet to earn your first dollar online. Number 1. You can easily make your first dollar online even if you are a beginner. You don't need any prior expertise to make money online. Number 2. You don't need a blog, YouTube channel or podcast show to make money using affiliate marketing. Number 3. You don't need to stop at your first $100. You can scale it to tens of thousands of dollars and even earn a full-time income. So let's jump onto my computer and let me guide you with a step-by-step tutorial to earn your first $100 online. First of all, open any web browser and visit learndigitalwithrahul.com/OFA. This will take you to the official page of One Funnel Away Challenge. In case you don't know, One Funnel Away Challenge is a training program that teaches you how to create a profitable online business in 30 days. I have personally taken this challenge and learned a lot from this. If you want, you can sign up for One Funnel Away Challenge. However, that is completely optional and you may skip that if you don't want. But I want to draw your attention to this affiliates button. And the next thing you need to do is click on this button and this will open a page where you can sign up for the OFA affiliate program. Simply enter the basic details like your first name, last name, email, password, the mode you want to get paid, PayPal or check, and more required details. Finally, click on Create Your Account button and then complete the application process. It's very basic and I think I don't need to tell you that. Since I'm already an affiliate for OFA, so I'll fast forward this and log into my affiliate dashboard. Alright, now I'm logged into my affiliate dashboard of One Funnel Away Challenge and here you can see this is my affiliate URL. When you log into your affiliate dashboard, you will also get a unique tracking URL like this. So simply copy this URL and share it with your friends, family, followers, and anywhere online, inviting them to join this training program. And you know what's the best thing about this affiliate program? It offers you 100% commission. The cost of the training program is $100, and when anyone signs up after clicking on your affiliate link, you will get $100 per sale. And this affiliate program sells so well that you will see a very high conversion rate, as you don't need to work very hard to earn your first $100 online. Let me show you my stats. I have got 86 unique visitors, which means 86 unique people have clicked my affiliate link, and out of those 86, 21 people have purchased the OFA training program. For every person, I have earned $100 CPA, which means my total commission is 21 into 100 is equal to $2,100 US. So this is my earning and stats promoting this affiliate program. And I'm not showing you this to brag about. Instead, I want to motivate you. And this is something you can do quite easily. If I can do it, why can't you? So sign up for the affiliate program, get your affiliate tracking URL, and promote your affiliate offer online to make your first $100 online. And they do offer many promotional resources as well, like graphic images for social sharing on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram story, and email swipe copy as well. So you have got everything. All you need to do is utilize your digital presence and turn it into profit. That's the motto behind being a #digital learner. So that's it from this video, and I hope after learning how to make your first $100 online, you will be able to make your first few $1,000s quite easily. If you want to see me promoting this affiliate program into action, visit affiliatesalesautomation.com, where I have automated my affiliate sales generation process. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative, and feel proud to be #digital learner.